tradition. I'm the Consul General of Sri Lanka in Karachi. First of all, I would like to, greatly appreciate the, organizers for giving this opportunity for Sri Lanka and lovely audience. And we had a series of, this kind of events. This is special. This is special. Thank you. Thank you very much. This is a part of this event. Is a part of the activities we are organizing to celebrate 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Sri Lanka and Pakistan. So our Prime Minister, first Prime Minister in Sri Lanka in 1948, made his official first visit to Pakistan, Karachi, in 1948. Since then, we are celebrating 75th anniversary today, this year. And we had several activities to mark this event, and last Saturday we had started with a blood donation camp. 75 Sri Lankans donated their blood to mark this important event in Karachi. And then another important event is, maybe you are not much aware of this, Sri Lanka has donated 25,000 iconias to Pakistan. And it is very important to mention that Pakistan is the #1 recipient of Sri Lanka's iconias in the world. And we had similar this kind of event in Karachi, and we also organize a tourism promotion event. With this dancing team, we got 15 Sri Lanka tour agents to visit Karachi, Islamabad and Lahore. They are meeting Pakistan, tour agents, and tomorrow we have a business meeting for the Sri Lanka travel agents with the Pakistan travel agents. So